They're not done with me.
Hope you like this young man. Adore. Do you like this young lady?
Yes, I love her.
I'll go fit chop for this one like this. Eh? It's started though. I can't eat in this one.
eating, you know, right?
I'll eat. I have to eat. I feel like just, yeah, but if the waist like I can always lose it a bit. And if you're losing it, there's still a little bit of shape. It's not as if, not like you lose shape.
because you're not meant to be very comfortable.
You know,
If you want it to be free, to look free or you'll be able to sit at home. But you can still manage to sit. Once you sit, you'll be free. Sorry. Sorry.
Let's try again. Promise you some magic. Try again.
and I'm wearing heels.
I don't think that'll be a problem. It's stand. You can't stand.
Let's go. 1, 2, go. Hey! That's like
Okay, so do you want us to do it now?
where is I don't think it's here. I'm not feeling any tightness here. It's not here. I think
See if
it's
you can
here.
come stand sideways.
No, you sit
Like
and
from
not
your
have
side.
anything to do.
It's actually here.
Like seriously, you can't stand on your own.
Let's try.
I don't think if they lose anything, it's not going to be fitted. It's
Let's
not going to fit.
okay, I have to stand up
Yeah,
sideways. Sit down sideways.
Yeah, see.
Stand up sideways.
So you're learning how to sit with the dress.
Hey beautiful people, ignore my background please. Today's 9th of June and also my last fittings for my intro dress. For my intro dress, and I'm currently waiting for my Uber. To come pick me up. I'm ready to go see my dress. I just hope that it's perfect and it's literally everything that I've like envisioned and pictured. And yeah, let's see you guys when I get there. Peace. I'm excited for my clothes.
It's
if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. I appreciate. You already know the vibes, guys. Today, in my head, right? Hold on. Guys, in my head, right? I legit thought I was going to film a whole countdown vlog. But this week has been hectic, mad hectic, guys. Like crazily hectic. And you know, I just couldn't pick up my camera. I just couldn't pick up my camera and film. You know, I've just been busy. I thought this week was just going to be me sleeping, eating, waking up. It was not so. It was not so at all. It was busy, packed with a lot of work. Just couldn't pretend, you know, like pick up the camera and start filming. It was just too hectic. I was exhausted. But that's not the gist for today. Gist for today is that today is my introduction. I think I'll call it my introduction, just where both families officially meet, know themselves before the real introduction. I want to just clear this. My introduction is not the normal everyday kind of introduction. It's introduction / bride price thingy. Yeah, and I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm heading home now, and my husband, my fiancé rather, my husband's family be on their way soon. I'm preparing. And guys, did I tell you that Juliet is back? Did I tell you guys that? My friend is back all the way from the UK. She's back all the way from the UK. If I tell you guys, get yourself a friend like mine, you know it. See now, do you have any friend that would come all the way for you? You don't have. And there's nothing I can do about that. But I'm so happy she's here. I'm really happy she's here. It means a lot to me that she could make it, that she could come all the way. I do not take it for granted at all. Guys, now I'm washing my makeup because I'm late. So let me just cut with the chit chat. I'll see you guys when I'm on my way. Peace out.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more,
Really want to know what
need
your
you
intentions are.
more than I would
Bring
like
us
to
to this house.
admit.
You're welcome, sir.
Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. This heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine? Think about you every time. I remember that it's over. Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay.
I'm a flame, and I just want to honor our late parents. Let us like honor them.
You would find a new distraction. Need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit.
May their gentle soul rest in perfect peace.
Can we let go of tomorrow?
Praise the Lord. We appreciate your coming. Whether it is family, this come to the family, a family where there is peace, a family where there is honor, a family you can rely on. This is a family that have integrity. Praise the name of the Lord. So we welcome you all to this family. We accept our in-law and we pray for the new couple that their marriage will last long. Thank you,
So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a feeling. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah.